Well, there's a number of practical challenges and opportunities when adopting soil health practices. Fortunately, American Farmland Trust has some resources to help producers evaluate both the costs and benefits of incorporating these practices. Ag economist Dr. Chellie Maples joins us now for more on this. Thank you for your time, as always. I thought maybe you could start by addressing the importance of focusing on the economics of soil health practice adoption.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me. I'm excited to chat about this. And that's a great starting question because the general answer is there just isn't enough clear, accessible information to help producers confidently evaluate the economics of soil health practice adoption. And we realize that many farmers are aware of the environmental outcomes associated with these practices. But what we keep hearing from producers are questions like, what will this cost me? What is this going to do to my yields and subsequent yield revenue? How long will it take to see these results? And then how likely is it that I'm actually going to see these results? And all of those questions include a lot of uncertainty, and that uncertainty is a big deal when margins are tight. We do understand that adopting new practices isn't just a technical one, it's financial, it's cultural, and it can be hard to be the first in your area to, try something different. So our goal was to focus exactly on the economics and gather the economic data and present it in a way that's practical and transparent and accessible and grounded in real world outcomes. Because at the end of our days, we want to help farmers make better decisions.
Well, tell us about this data, the soil health economic case studies, how they can help producers make these kind of decisions.
Yeah, so we did create these economic case studies. And they feature real farmers who have adopted soil health practices. And these case studies walk through the actual costs, the actual benefits, and the actual outcomes, such as changes in input use, changes in yield, changes in profitability, as well as return on investment figures. But not only that, the case studies also explore the farmers' motivations and challenges that they faced when adopting these practices. And so these case studies really do offer valuable context for others considering similar changes in similar systems.
Well, Chellie, I know that there's also these farmer guides to soil health. Maybe explain what they can offer and how people can use them, get their hands on these.
Yeah, so the second resource that we did create is a set of 2-page, what we call farmers guides to soil health. And these are guides that are based on a review of over 79 peer-reviewed studies. And these guides essentially distill all kinds of economic findings into easy to read, quick, accessible summaries with key takeaways for both row crop and grazing systems. And as I said before, they're designed to be an easy to read resource and also easy to apply, whether the producer just wants a snapshot of the current state of soil health research or whether they're looking for a tool to support conversations with lenders or advisors. And both of these resources can be found on American Farmland Trust Farm Information Center, where they are hosted on that site, free to the public and available for download.
Great information. Thank you so much for joining us. American Farmland Trust Ag economist, Dr. Chellie Maples.